The Tesla Pi phone might not just compete with Apple and Samsung, it could leave them behind. A phone that doesn't just connect to your local mobile network but connects directly to satellites in space. Impressive, right? With the help of StarLink satellites, this futuristic device might provide customers with nearly free internet access anywhere in the world. Even though Tesla hasn't confirmed the phone, the idea itself is appealing. Starlink-powered Tesla Pi phone will be able to make AI accessible to everyone, transform education, break language barriers, and open new opportunities for work and daily life. But that's not all. Some leaks suggest the Pi phone might even feature solar panels on its back, letting it charge passively through sunlight. Solar charging isn't strong enough to fully power a smartphone. It could provide emergency backup energy, a lifesaver in places where electricity is limited. This phone will redefine how humans interact with AI itself. Internet plus AI access. Right now, access to AI tools depends on one thing, and that is internet connection. In big cities, this isn't a problem because they have fast internet. People won't need costly internet services or standard cell phone towers if the Tesla Pi phone will be able to connect to Starlink satellites. They could get free or very cheap internet directly from space satellites, anywhere on Earth. However, even people who live in remote areas might connect to the internet through satellite technology. It's not just about browsing the web, it's about giving billions of people a chance to access AI for learning, working, and communicating. Instead of AI being limited, it would become a powerful tool available for everyone. Real-time translation with AI. Furthermore, there are rumors that the Pi phone will have AI assistants built in that can quickly process speech. It acts like being able to speak in your native language and having the phone immediately analyze what you're saying, translate it into another language, and then either speak or show the result. The connection to Starlink satellites, which guarantees that the AI remains online and operational anywhere on Earth, even in remote areas without mobile towers, is what really makes this powerful. This means conversations could happen naturally, without delays or misunderstandings, no matter where you are. Instead of language being a barrier, the Pi phone could make communication truly borderless, opening doors for smoother travel, stronger international business, and even cross-cultural friendships. In simple terms, Starlink provides the always-on connection, while the AI assistant delivers instant translation, bringing people closer together in ways traditional smartphones can't. AI for education. A device like the Tesla Pi phone has the potential to transform education. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, prepared to walk you through classes, respond to challenging inquiries, or help you practice a new language. The Pi phone makes this feasible, allowing AI-powered educational tools to function globally without depending on local networks. Lessons might become more customized and simpler to understand if the built-in AI assistant could adjust explanations to each learner's speed. The phone might serve as a study guide, mentor, and instructor all at once, helping with everything from math issues to grasping difficult science concepts. Work with AI accessibility. Another big change would be in how people work. Today, remote jobs are mostly available to those with good internet. Work will be completely redefined with the Tesla Pi phone. Anyone from anywhere may easily connect to global platforms, eliminating the need for internet access to access opportunities. With the help of AI tools that streamline the process, you will be able to work together on projects, participate in virtual meetings, and market your services to customers all over the world. While built-in AI assistants may assist with tasks like designing, scheduling, creating proposals, and even managing marketing campaigns, the phone's continuous satellite connection would ensure seamless communication. This shift could open doors to income opportunities like never before, creating a future where talent and creativity matter more than location. Now let's think bigger. Tesla is already known for cars, solar power, and even Neuralink. An AI assistant that is constantly online, alert, and smoothly incorporated into daily life is the main idea behind a device like the Tesla Pi phone. With Starlink keeping it constantly connected, the AI could plan routines, manage schedules, and provide real-time updates without interruptions. It might work with smart homes to automate daily chores, monitor gadgets, and modify energy consumption. On the other hand, it could translate languages instantly, organize travel plans, or recommend the best options for dining, transport, and stay. The possibilities go beyond just convenience. They point toward a future where AI becomes a natural extension of daily living. Of course, there's a big if hanging over all of this. Tesla hasn't confirmed that the Pi phone is real. Elon Musk himself has sometimes dismissed the idea, and many of the images you see online are just concept designs, not real products. There are also technical challenges. Connecting a phone directly to satellites is not easy. Antennas need to be big and powerful, and battery usage would be a problem. Solar charging on the back of the phone, another rumor, sounds great but may only provide a little backup power, not a full charge. Still, even if the Pi phone never arrives, the idea itself sparks important conversations. But what if the Tesla Pi phone really launches with Starlink internet? That would mean humanity's first true global AI gateway. A tool that could make information, education, and opportunities equal for everyone. The digital divide could shrink. Work and learning would be accessible to all. And AI would no longer be something that only a part of the world can use, it would be for everyone. So what do you think? Will Tesla actually launch the Pi phone, or is it just another internet rumor? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's see what kind of future we can imagine together. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss the latest updates.